Okay, I am out here at 6270 Winners Lane in Hanover, Maryland. I am doing a repair attempt. I did pull a shingle and I did send in to ITEL. The ITEL did come back showing that it is discontinued, but said there's a similar match. So what I'm doing now is a simulated repair. Right here, we do have a wind crease shingle that is not sealed. So this will be the shingle that I am attempting to replace. I did pull the shingle, and I will include pictures from the exact shingle that I pulled. This is what ITEL came back with as a match, so I will be going through and installing the shingle. Make sure that's a good angle. Alrighty. First things first. Now getting the new shingle. Okay, first thing that I notice, this shingle is too long. That's not an issue, I can cut that down. I did just cut that much off the shingle. Now I will place this shingle up here. Okay, so the dimensions on here are the largest issue. So the dimensions, bear with me as this is a rather steep roof. The dimensions on here are the issue at hand. I can cut it down. I did cut this much off of the shingle to make it fit. No issues there. Where the issue lies is that now the shingle at its proper height now overlaps about 3/4 of an inch. So 3/4 of an inch, which the issue at hand is where the tar strip is on the back of the new shingle. It is now falling on the sawtooth portion and not on the designated area that the seal is supposed to be sealing on. So therefore this shingle will not have the ability to seal as it should, which does not bring it to pre-loss conditions. That is why this is not a comparable shingle due to the dimensions, and this repair attempt does fail. That being said, the color is not even close to a match, but that's a whole different story. It is, this is what ITEL gave me, and I will provide a picture of the packaging that they said is the most comparable to this roof. As it can be seen, this is not comparable to this roof and would not bring it to pre-loss conditions.